What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're going to be going over Fantom today. We got big stuff going on in Fantom, so that's what we're going over today. So yeah, hit the like button and subscribe because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you want to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you also want to support the channel, definitely check out the PayPal donation link in the description or the Cash App donation link. It'll be greatly appreciated. So, with Fantom here, as you can see, in total, Fantom is up from its all-time low from 110%. That is huge right there, and we're only 13% away from our all-time high. So it shows, Fantom has huge upside potential. It's one of those cryptos that just rises, rises, and rises and sees no dips. So yes, actually we do have dips, but I'm saying metaphorically, Fantom does not stay down. It does not stay down on the ground, and it does not let anyone get it down. And Fantom just continues to rise. So Fantom always comes out with good news left and right. Like literally, they're always coming out with something big that they're doing. Whether it's partnerships, whether it's AMAs, live meetings, whether it's new developments to the Fantom blockchain, whether it's anything dealing with Fantom. Fantom always comes out with something new. Usually partnerships. But over here, you can see right now in the last 24 hours, Fantom is up 8.6%. That's pretty big. And in the last 7 days, we're only down 7.9%. But that's because we came down from a retracement period of our big all-time high that we reached. We had to come down from a little bit of a retracement period there. So that's why you see Fantom down just a little bit here. So looking at Fantom from the wider perspective, though, you see, even in the last 14 days, 48.8%, last 30 days, 46.8%, last year, 6.9K. Like Fantom is doing fairly well, compared to a lot of these other cryptos. Some people would want Fantom to be way higher, but I think Fantom's just where it needs to be at. It rises at a good pace, a very good pace at that. So yeah, our market cap is now at $5.4 billion, and we're at $2.13 here on Fantom. And then over here, you can see that our 24-hour trading volume at 437 million, fully diluted market cap, all that good stuff. So we got a total value locked 161 million, bunch of money flowing through Fantom. All this circulating right here, 2.5 billion Fantom circulating, total supply of 3.1 billion. But yeah, Fantom is doing very well right now. So I want to go over the technicals here with Fantom right now. So as you can see here, Fantom is actually rising up closer to that $2.15 range right now. Now I do want to mention something way back here that happened to Fantom. This whole jump right here, this rise in price, this was a straight up uptrend. Like this just went straight up. I want to mention a few things in this. So whenever you see these green little lines here, like these green lines right here, whenever you see these, this shows supply and demand. And whenever it's green, it's showing that there's a lot of demand for Fantom or a lot of demand for whatever crypto you're doing. So it shows there's a lot of demand every time you're here on the green ones. So yeah, look over here. As you can see, all of this demand here for Fantom, and then the red ones are showing less demand whenever we have little demand. So right now we have lots of demand here. So as you can see here, when we do hit the red area, that shows that not as much demand is being met. So there's too much supply, but not enough demand. So as you can see, there was a chance of reversal as we have over here. And if you actually want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. But anyways, as you can see, as soon as we hit this red area showing and indicating that we have little demand for, more upside potential, it shows that we actually started to go down when we're at $2.40, $2.45. So when we started to go on that downtrend, we hit the bottom here and we were in a little bit of an oversold area, which actually led into a bullish movement for Fantom. So that led into us going, just up a little bit. We've been trading sideways for a little while. So, but it's definitely good to look at the oscillator and see every time it starts to sell off, they show it as an oversell because there's still good demand inside of Fantom. We just need to come back to one of these green areas like this, maybe a retracement period to continue to rise here in Fantom. But yeah, we're doing very well in here inside of Fantom. So over here, you can see on the oscillator, some overselling here, a little bit more overselling here on the downtrends. And, this little buy area here is a little bit overbought, they're saying. And then over here with the downtrend, you're seeing, even though it's going on a downtrend, even though here on the oscillator, you see that the volume is negative, you see that there's a downtrend, it still shows bullish movements, bullish patterns. Each and every area on this oscillator, each and every area is a smaller area of downtrend. Look, so there's smaller and smaller volumes, but the volume is increasing slowly, slowly, and slowly. So you see these three bullish marks showing that the volume is starting to increase, and that's where we got our chance of reversal, eventually leading up to another uptrend. Like I said, these green areas are actually supply and demand areas, showing that we have lots of demand. So then we just started to rise here in Phantom, and we got rejected at this next supply demand area, which is the next red area. So moving on to where we are now today, we are now inside near the same area, but now we're around 2013 cents. So we actually have potential to break out here out of Phantom, out of this area right here. So we can definitely break out. We just have to have another strong uptrend. So we have to break past the supply and demand area. And this supply demand area looks smaller than the other ones. So we actually might be able to get back up there and have some good movement here with Phantom over here. But anyways, over here on the oscillator, you can see that we are overbought, and you can look at the pattern here and tell that this pattern was overbought. Like, it was a little bit of an overbought pattern, but that's because it came off of an overselling pattern. So now that you've seen the overbuying, you're probably going to see a little bit of a retracement down to lower around $2.05, possibly back to $2 flat. But that's just, how the retracement periods go. As you can see, it's trying to, break out, but it looks like we might have a little bit of a rejection here with Phantom, but we're still doing fairly well here in Phantom. Like, Phantom is doing very well. But yeah, as you can see in the last 24 hours, this is what I'm talking about, the overbought area. So we're probably going to be hit by a little bit of a retracement period, but there's no biggie there, no big problem, because you can see the bulls in the last 24 hours, the market control of the last 24 hours is controlled by 80% bulls. So the bulls are controlling 80% of the market in the last 24 hours. That's pretty big right there. It's really significant if you think about it. But yeah, let's move on from that. As you already know, 3.4 billion. This is the whole FTM scan. So we got a lot of good stuff going on here. So I also want to show something else here. So let's go over here, boom, and then hit the Ether scan. You can see 41,000 people on the Ethereum one, and then you got the Binance Smart Chain one, 14,000. So good stuff going on here inside Phantom on all sides of the spectrum. So anyways, I want to go over a lot of the stuff that we have going on here in Fantom DC. The agenda for the most prestigious blockchain event is out. So yes, we're about to have that 25 through the 29th. And as you can see here, it's really about to come out from the 25th to the 29th. They're about to have a huge event here, a very big event. Like, they're going to have this on the 25th. They're going to have the pre-registration kickoff with the welcome speeches, a dinner and lunch and networking party. Before we even go, look at these tickets. Just to go there in person for the general admission, it's $1,100, $1,100 just to go there for one ticket. That's a lot of money. So they're probably making big money off this, but this is a developers conference, so it's really sophisticated. It's really big for the whole community, and it's going to be held in Abu Dhabi, or Dhabi, whatever you want to say that. Anyways, so we have a lot more going on here in Dhabi. I don't think that's Dubai. That's Dhabi. I don't know it. I don't even know what Dhabi is. Let's actually look up what that is. Inside of the United Arab Emirates. All right. I was thinking Dubai at first, but yeah, that's not Dubai. That's all the way to the left of Dubai, under Dubai. But yeah, that's going to be a very big event. I mean, inside of the Emirates, that's a really sophisticated place. They got a lot of wealth going on out there. So on the 26th, they're going to have the lunch coffee registration, and they're going to have a bunch of stuff going on, and a lot of stuff. The index and query protocol for Web3 data, that's going to be at 1:30 p.m. And you can definitely come here and check this out yourself. There's a lot going on for these events, and these events are going on for a long time. So on the 25th, from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., then on the 26th, from 12 p.m. all the way down to 5:20 p.m., nearly a whole day. Then over here from 9:30 a.m. all the way down here to 5:30 p.m. So that's going to be the big day right there. The 27th is going to be the huge day from 9:30 a.m. all the way to 5:50 p.m. That's going to be a huge reception. It's going to be a huge conference there, like really big. And then on the 28th from 9:30 a.m., they're going to wrap things up at 9 p.m. So literally 12 hours right there. That's big, 11 hours and 30 minutes. That's a long time. And on the 29th from 12 p.m. to 4:45. So you're still going to get your money's worth. It's not going to be like you're getting ripped off here. Or you could just do the virtual event, and then, you'll have the virtual event. So let's move on to the next thing. So this next thing, MAI lending is officially available on Fantom FDN. You can now borrow stablecoins against these assets at 0% interest. So now you can borrow at 0% interest for that. So there's a lot of stuff going on with Fantom. Like I said, they always have new partnerships. They always have new developments going on with Fantom. They always have something big going on. So that's one big thing about Fantom that you need to know about. So new faucet by the Opera FOMO team. So if you just bridged to Fantom and need a bit of FTM for gas, head over to drip.opera.fomo.finance. Get you some money for that gas fees. So yeah, big stuff going on there. Over here, you can see this is another thing, another partnership here with them. So Sweet Pacoa has landed safely on Fantom FBN land. So initially available for tracking, Guys Finance, Beefy Finance, Booty Swap. So much more to come. Start tracking your Fantom assets in the sweetest DeFi portfolio manager, as they call it. So lots of stuff going on here with Fantom. They're always doing partnerships. Look, TrueUSD now. TrueUSD is now available on Fantom. Head over to the multichain.xyz to bridge your TUSD from Ethereum to Fantom. So yeah, you can bridge your USDT from Ethereum to Fantom there. So like I said, there's always some new partnership going on here, and there's a lot more, but it's probably gonna extend the video so long. Like I don't want the video to be too long because there's so much going on with Fantom. You can't cover it all in one video. So now we got this going on, Pair Finance. So Pair and Fantom, we got big stuff going on here. So first of all, the pairs that couldn't be more hyped to get started on Fantom FBM. What is upcoming for Fantom Pair? So partnerships with awesome Fantom projects, Pair, auto compounding vaults, the first Fantom Garden. So big stuff going on there too. Shout out to Pair Zap Finance for integrating with our Fantom and for doing this partnership. We got big stuff going on left and right. It's like Fantom will partner with literally anyone, and they're really setting the standard for DeFi right now. Like Fantom is doing really big stuff right here. But yeah, remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of these financial advisors. Not telling you to buy Fantom, but I am letting you know Fantom has some big potential here. And I'm also letting you know that we're probably about to go inside of a little bit of a retracement period here. You can actually see the red forming on this green candlestick, indicating that we're actually about to go on a little bit of a retracement. But whatever happens, it happens. So we're just going to watch out for that inside this near future here. So yeah, remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. If you like the video though, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link, or go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App link. It will be greatly appreciated. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out Vital Algo, link inside of the description, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.